I'm John Milton Brady, and I'm being religiously censored because you can't reach 424-229-0911 or my United States Business Post Office Box 1151 Santa Monica, California 90406, or my business website www.worldwidegathering.officelive.com. Censorship is a parasite on the world this Christmas 2010. Make sure you do something about that. Become part of the People's Network, the network of truth, and pass along the truth.